Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new recipe for pakoras, and these are some super yummy pakoras. Like whenever we think about pakoras, we think about potato in it. And today I'm going to be showing you pakoras with other things rather than potato. Like I'm going to make zucchini pakode, broccoli pakode, long hot pepper pakode, and the spring mix pakode. Spring mix is like different lettuces that come in a box, like a prepackaged box. So we're going to be doing that. So anything that you have left in the fridge, like any vegetables that you see that you're not eating, you're not using, you can make pakode with it. Honestly, most of them you can make pakode with. So I've made pakode with eggplant, with cauliflower, with spinach, with iceberg lettuce. You can do it, I'm telling you. The key is to pat them dry, like the vegetables. Like after you cut them, you wash them, you cut them, and you pat them dry with a paper towel, so all the moisture basically you're taking out. So when you fry it, it doesn't splatter on you. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. They're very simple, very straightforward, because you know I like to taste the vegetable itself rather than have so many spices in it. So it's very basic, very simple. So let's get on to the ingredients and then on to the recipe. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients that we will be using for the pakode. I will start off with the zucchini. I took 2 zucchinis and I sliced them thin. Obviously all of these vegetables are washed and dried with a paper towel. I have broccoli. I have 4 peppers, 3 or 4 peppers, and spring mix, a bunch of it. And the broccoli I just took off the florets, and that's what we're going to do. And for the batter, I have 1.5 cup of besan, which is chickpea flour. Then I have 3/4 teaspoon of chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, and I have 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, and then water for mixing. Alright guys, so let's move on to the recipe. What I will be doing is I have all of the vegetables here, everything except the potato. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle it with chaat masala first. Just season it like this so all of it is coated with chaat masala. You don't have to have a heavy hand with it, like you don't have to, like, you know, put too much chaat masala. It depends on your taste, your liking. I like to taste the vegetable itself too, so I'm not going to put that much, but let's see. So I mixed it all in with clean hands, of course, and I think that's good for us. Alright, so for the batter itself, I have besan, chickpea flour. I'm going to add the salt and the chili powder, the baking soda, and the ajwain. And mix it together. And now I'm going to add the water in. Add half of it in and mix it and see how much more you'll need. Alright, so after mixing it, this is how the batter should look like. It shouldn't be too thick and too thin. It should be somewhere in between. And this is exactly the consistency, because we don't want something so thick that it covers the vegetable very much, you know. So let's get on to the frying. I'm checking the oil with my hand, and I can just tell when it's hot enough to fry. I guess I've been doing it for too long. So first I'm going to fry the zucchini, and I'm just coating each slice with the batter and putting it in the fryer. Okay, so after I put them in the oil for a minute or 2 on each side, they should be golden brown, and then take them out onto a plate with a paper towel on top of it so it can soak any excess oil. And that's what I will do, and I will continue to fry the rest of them. I'm going to coat each one of them and put them in the oil and fry them until they're golden brown and take them out. So I will show you what they look like at the end. Alright guys, so we're back. I fried all of the vegetables that I had, and now we're gonna taste test it to see how I did. And I didn't have pudine ki chutney, but because usually, like, you know, pakoras go with the pudine ki chutney with yogurt. But I'm using this Thai style sweet and sour, sweet and spicy, I think. Hold on, let me check it. So I'm using this sweet chili sauce with it to dip. But you can use ketchup, you can use anything that you like, that your heart desires, you can use it. So let's taste test. Let me pull it up so you can see a little bit. I will have a zucchini, since I love fried zucchini. I'm gonna have a zucchini pakora. Dip it in the sauce. It's so good. It's too good. All I need is a cup of chai with it. I'm gonna sit down, relax, and just enjoy this. Let's try one of the lettuce. It's so crunchy, the lettuce is crunchy. I hope you can hear the crunch because it's so crunchy and so good. It's so light. The batter itself is not thick. I don't like to put like a thick batter on. So you can totally taste the vegetables. They're not overspiced and they're so yummy and delicious. Like, you know, the lettuce is so crunchy. The hot pepper, let's taste this one. I hope you can see the batter, how thin it is. It's not thick at all. It's super good, super good. Let me taste the broccoli as well. Hold on, let me take the broccoli. I tasted everything, right? The broccoli is so good too, because you know what? It has such a soft texture and once you fry it, so it's like it melts in your mouth. But yeah, I hope you give this recipe a try. It's very yummy. It's super easy, very fast. Like, you know, it doesn't take that many ingredients, things that you have at home, to just whip this up and enjoy with tea or whatever you like. Guests are coming over, you can quickly whip this up. And please like my video, share, subscribe to my channel for new videos and new updates. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.